In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ad blocker in Firefox. First, let's start by clicking on the menu icon. This is the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your Firefox browser. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides you with quick access to various features and settings in Firefox. It is essential to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it will guide you through customizing your browsing experience. Once you see the menu open, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This action takes you to the Settings page, which is where all the important adjustments can be made. Now that you are on the Settings page, the next step is to go to the Privacy and Security section. On the left-hand side of the Settings menu, you will see a list of categories. Click on Privacy and Security to access the options related to your privacy and online security. This section is crucial because it allows you to control how your data is handled while browsing. You will notice various features including tracking protection and cookie settings. It is important to review these options to enhance your browsing safety. Once you are in the Privacy and Security section, look for the Enhanced Tracking Protection settings. This feature is designed to help keep your online activity private by blocking trackers and intrusive ads. You will see three different options for tracking protection: standard, strict, and custom. Choosing the right level of protection is key to improving your browsing experience. Selecting the right option will help you find a balance between privacy and the functionality of websites. Next up, you can choose between the available options for enhanced tracking protection. If you select strict, Firefox will block more trackers and some ads. This option is the most aggressive in terms of privacy, ensuring that you have minimal exposure to online tracking. However, it may occasionally prevent some websites from functioning optimally. On the other hand, if you choose standard, it allows some ads and trackers through, providing a more balanced browsing experience. This option may be suitable if you want to ensure that websites load correctly while still enhancing your privacy. After you make your selection, be sure to check for any changes in the settings. Firefox typically saves your preferences automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your changes. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that your choice has been saved. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it helps ensure that your preferences are upheld every time you use the browser. With these settings adjusted, you can now enjoy a more secure browsing experience in Firefox. Remember that enabling the ad blocker can significantly reduce the number of intrusive ads you encounter. This makes your internet experience more pleasant and less distracting. You can now browse websites without the annoyance of unwanted ads popping up. In conclusion, you have successfully enabled the ad blocker in Firefox. This process not only protects your privacy, but also enhances your overall browsing experience. If you ever need to change these settings again, you can easily follow these steps to adjust your preferences. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!